money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on wanna, come on,
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I will be showing you guys how I install and style this wig from Junoda Hair. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this unit. It's super duper cute. As you guys can see, it's like this Auburn fall color. I'm so in love with it, and I decided to do this really cute hairstyle. So yeah, we just gonna get into it in this video. But before we hop into it, I want to show you guys everything that they sent in my package. So this is the box that they sent everything in. It's so cute, and it's gold and white. It says love yourself, be yourself, period. They sent me this goodie bag that says Junoda. I hope I'm saying this name right, Junoda. I hope so. But this is the bag, and then they sent some more goodies in the box. The first thing they sent is this elastic band. It says Junoda on it. They sent me 2 wig caps. They sent this edge toothbrush and comb. Then they also sent these really cute lashes. And then, oh, this is so cute. They sent me this little Christmas keychain. Even though it's not Christmas, I still might use it because it's really cute. Y'all see it? It says Merry Christmas, and it has like this little stocking on it. So cute. And then they sent me these little clips, these little Christmas themed clips. It got reindeer ears, well, antlers, and some little puff balls. That is so cute. Dang, I should have did this way before Christmas, so I could have used all this stuff. And then they sent me this that says Junoda. It's a rhinestone clip. Then they sent me this really cute makeup brush. It's pink and gold. I think this is kind of like rose gold, but oh yeah, this is so cute. I could have just used this for my makeup. This is really freaking cute. And then last but not least, they sent, is this a bonnet? It is. They sent this red bonnet. This is so cute. And it got elastic on the inside. Yeah, this is a good quality bonnet. I will be using this. But that seems to be everything that they sent in my package. So I'm not gonna ramble anymore, but y'all already know. Before we hop into this video, y'all gotta give me a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and hop right into this video.
Sipping acorn, rich nigga on A1, baby, drinking that acorn, baby, butter pecan, thinking that I want a refund, breaking that back till I see the sun. I fuck the bitch on the jet, keep a get on her neck. She only call me for 6, speeding the bitch. I stick up my foot on their neck, finna put on the wrist. I used to drop it at X, from the strong, gotta keep it a gun. Not a regular, but that's strong. Fucking whole by the week every month. She want me sticking it deep in her gut. Let me know if you with it or what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm fuck with these niggas a dub. Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, wanna, come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer.
All right, so y'all see this wig, right? It's a lot, okay? It's a lot, but I don't really know what hairstyle I want to do. I was thinking maybe like middle part and put some wand curls in it or something, but that might take a long time, and I really don't have a long time to be sitting here doing my hair today. So I was thinking maybe a half up, half down. I don't think that would look too bad, but then that might be a workout. You know what I'm saying? Because this is a lot of hair, and in general, doing half up, half down for me is a little task. So I don't know what hairstyle we're gonna do, but as y'all can see, I'm putting makeup up underneath this lace so that it can blend to my skin. It's time to start gluing this bad boy down. Let's do it. So I got some, where's my glue? All right, I'm back. Found my glue. So I got my ghost bond. What I'm about to do is clip my hair back. Just with a small little clip. And then I'm gonna flip. Let me make sure this is where I want my wig to be first of all. Yeah, right about there. Okay, so I'm just gonna flip the lace backwards like this and start applying it. Just a small layer. I think I might do 3 layers of glue today. Dang, I missed the whole step. But y'all, make sure when you do this, especially if you apply makeup to your cap and to your lace, to clean your skin before you start laying the glue. Because I was definitely supposed to do that, but I definitely forgot.
Drop it at X, on the strong, gotta keep you a gun. Not a regular, but that's strong. Fucking hoe, why don't we get reminded? She want me sticking it deep in her gut. Let me know if you wouldn't know what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm full with these niggas a dub. Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lot of order, dollars, quarters.
I'm so sorry, y'all, if I'm off-centered because my normal tripod situation is just not working. It's just not working right now, and I gotta go get another tripod or another suction cup tripod so y'all can be up on my mirror because this angle is just not it, and I'm very aware of that. Sweetie ma'am, can you move out the way?
Surf, surf, papa, hurt, papa, smurf, lot of dirt. I can call up dirt, crow heart, shirts, millions off merch, sipping, dripping, tipping, tripping, women, hey, linen, hey, dealing, killing, spinning, willing, grilling, hey, feeling, pay, money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, gonna, wanna, come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wait. Summer, Benny, Hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wait, habit, sipping acorn, rich, nigga on A1, baby, breaking that acorn, baby, butter pecan, bringing that on a refund, breaking that back till I see the sun, I fuck the bitch on the jet, people may get on her neck, she only call me for 6, speeding the bitch, I stick up my foot on their neck, finna put on the wrist. We used to drop it at X, on the strong, gotta keep you a gun. Not a regular, but that's strong. Fucking hoe, why don't we get reminded? She want me sticking it deep in her gut. Let me know if you wouldn't know what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm full with these niggas a dub. Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lot of order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, gonna, wanna, come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wait, surf, papa, hurt, papa, smurf, lot of dirt, I can call up dirt, crow heart, shirts, millions off merch, sipping, dripping, tipping, tripping, women, hey, linen, hey, dealing, killing, spinning, willing, grilling, hey, feeling, pay, money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, gonna, wanna, come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wait. I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wait. Hop it, sippin' acorn, rich nigga on A1, baby, back in that A-con, baby, butter pecan, bringing that on the refund, breaking that back till I see the sun. I fuck the bitch on the dick, keep him back get on her neck. She only call me for 6, speed in the bitch. I still got my foot on their neck, finna put on the wrist. We used to drop it at X, from the strong, gotta keep it a gun. Not a regular, but that's strong. Fucking whole while the week every month. She want me sticking it deep in her gut. Let me know if you with it or what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm fuck with these niggas a dub. Money, hold up, gotta, cut up, lot of order.
See, that one did pretty good, pretty quick, but when I tell y'all I was struggling on this side, that's why I just had to turn the camera off because it was just really irking me bad. But this one did exactly what it was supposed to do.
Hana, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surf up, wave, surf, 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 pop up, hurt, pop up, smurf, lot of dirt, I can call up dirt, crow heart, shirts, millions off merch, sippin', drippin', tippin', trippin', women, hey, linen, hey.
Now it's time to style my hair and I still don't know what I want to do. So, I don't know, and I can't braid right now because of my nails. Maybe I can do twists. Let's see if I can twist. Okay, I think I can flat twist. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I can flat twist. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flat twist a section on each side. Since I already started this one, I'm gonna see if I can like finesse. I'm just gonna make like a straight part on the side like that, and then connect it in the back. But I'm gonna have to start over because I want to do it like way better than that. All right, now I'm about to go in and start flat twisting.
Hana, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surf up, wave, hop it, sippin' acorn, rich nigga on A.
Then what I'm about to do is twist my hair really tight. And it is a little bump, but maybe I can like flatten it out with my hot comb and stuff. All right, so to keep this in place, y'all, I'm about to use a clip. And I'm gonna just clip it in the back until I do. Actually, let me hold this with my mouth because it's a twist, so it will come apart.
Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm fuck with these niggas a dub. Money, hold up, gotta, cut up, lot of order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, wanna, come on, hey, stunner, summer, Benny, Hana, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surf up, wave, surf.
All right, so this is how it's gonna look. Y'all see my freaking, I don't even think y'all can see, but my freaking face is red. But I gotta take this loose back here. And I think I'm gonna secure, how do I wanna secure these?
Hey, feeling, hey, money, hold up, gotta, cut up, lot of order, dollars.
Right, now it's time to let the hair in the back down.
Water, your bitch, wanna, come on, hey, stunner.
And this is what we're looking like. I'm just gonna flatten everything down with some spray. All right, y'all, this is how my hair looks. Super cute. I'm about to hurry up and do me some makeup, and I'm gonna come back so you guys can see the finished and final look. But I love it so far. It looks so cute and like so girly, so y'all know I'm feeling it, period. But I'll be right back, y'all. About to throw on some makeup, maybe put on some burgundy brows, we'll see, and then I'll be right back. So y'all, this is how my hair turned out. I am so in love with it. I feel like it looks really cute and really girly, like I said. And it's just really cute. I can't wait to take pictures in it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to give me a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit, I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. All the links on this hair will be listed in my description box, as well as the coupon code, so do not forget to go down there, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Waters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on wanna, come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hana, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surf up.